So if you've been following the news lately, you may have heard that State Farm, the insurance company, has decided they are no longer accepting applications for homeowners or business owners that are looking to insure their property in Northern, Central, or Southern California. And to be honest, I can't blame them. We have an annual tradition of this thing called wildfires, and it has gotten very expensive to cover for the insurees or the people who have insurance that need payouts from the insurance company. In addition to that, it is very expensive to front the bill for rebuilding. Just across the board, across the country, materials, labor is all 20 to 30% higher than it once was. So it's very expensive. And they've made the decision to essentially pull out of the California market. They're going to honor all of the existing clients they have that have insurance policies for now, to be determined, but they're kind of following suit with AIG, which also left California, and kind of doing what a lot of insurance companies were doing in Florida because of their hurricane issues and the cost of rebuilding there. So I would say if you are a buyer or a current owner, number one, you should be shopping around to see what other insurers are currently covering your properties. You also want to be prepared for the fact that it may be much more expensive now because premiums will go up. And you also need to be prepared to not buy in certain areas. If it's an area that has a higher likelihood of fires, you probably want to think against that just because it'll be much harder to get it covered by insurance. This is a big blow, and I think it'll do a lot to change some of the buyer habits moving forward in the real estate for the coming years until it's much more affordable for insurance companies to come back into California. Because I think State Farm is the beginning of what may be a cascading effect.